Today we're here in Portland's Japanese garden and we're testing out some of the different settings on the Osmo Pocket. That way you can get a good idea of its footage. Just real quick before we jump to the next clip, I wanted to mention that you'll notice that it does not focus on my face. And the reason for that is it is set on AFS, which stands for autofocus single. So it's focusing on a static subject, a subject that is not moving. So you'll notice that it just stays focused on the background behind me. Something that I've noticed so far with selfie mode, as soon as you flip the camera over, it tracks you. So it starts to follow your face. If you don't like that, you can reach over on the screen and the little box, you can click the X mark towards the top right hand corner of that and get rid of that mode. So then if you notice now, it's no longer tracking me. So you'll notice in this next clip that it stays focused on my face. And the reason for that is now I have it set on AFC, which stands for autofocus continuous. So it continually focuses on the moving subject and maintains that focus. So I highly recommend you setting it on AFC unless you are filming something that does not move, that is just static. Let's go ahead and get in this place. So I have it on auto setting. In this clip, you'll notice how well the 3-axis gimbal works climbing a set of stairs. What a beautiful day here at the Japanese Garden in Portland. So guys, let me know down below what you thought of the Osmo Pocket footage.